好啊，我們做的 so good。係，我哋今日 book 咗2點鐘喺呢度學咖啡。我哋今日一共會整5個咖啡。咁我哋一陣間就入去睇下上堂點樣啦。呢間餐廳特登標榜係有冷氣嘅，佢會安古城嘅中心就係喺呢個河邊。入邊有2個 filter，一個兩個。呢個粉咧已經係 mix 咗 Robusta 同埋 Arabica。啱啱倒咗20g 嘅熱水喺度，而家咧就要倒一半。I'm actually not a big fan of coffee， 但係咧嚟到會安咧就覺得要融入呢個越南嘅文化，每日都要飲咖啡。最中意嘅 coffee 就係 coconut coffee。我哋但係佢有2種，有一種係白色係底啦，有一種就係啡色係面，或者有啲係沙冰啦，有時係其他。10 milliliters, we're gonna pour it into the coffee powder。我聽書啱啱繼續講。你一打開入邊嗰10g係完全蒸發晒入去咯。Okay, now we're gonna pour 30 more grams into the lid. Oh, it's really dark here. 所以就是黑咖啡咯。我哋而家整第2個鹽咖啡啦。首先咧要加20g 嘅 condensed milk 落去。non-dairy cream 落去都係加20g。佢話如果屋企冇咧，就攞 whipping cream 都可以啦。我而家2.5 pinch鹽 and 10 grams of milk。要將呢個黑咖啡搞到佢 enhance aroma。I think that's what we are doing. And we're gonna put it in the middle。要搞佢，黑掹掹好驚搞到全身都係。Oh my god！ 要搞越淺色嘅，搞到起泡啊！很好啊，我們做的。OK。我都唔知我哋係咪整成泡啊？ I'm not sure if it's like over。但係原來黑咖啡一發就會可以變咗咁樣，因為我之前真係對咖啡係冇認識。I don't really drink coffee。Okay, yeah。好大杯我都。Okay, thank you。點解唔通 cappuccino 就係其實佢本身都係咪黑咖啡搞搞下就變晒泡。I'm gonna mix the condensed milk and the non-dairy milk。1到2分鐘發佢。Oh my god, wow, it's stirring. Last time we had it at Uncle Juan, and it kind of felt like cheese foam。我覺得太多泡啦，篤極佢都落唔到。Now I don't even have space for the 奶蓋。加個奶蓋喺面先。Oh my god！ 但係佢直接穿咗入去個底喎，佢唔喺面嗰度喎。係咪我搞得未夠起咧？人生整嘅第一杯咖啡啊！最尾一步就係加可可粉啦。Oh my god！ 周圍都係。噔噔，我第一杯咖啡啦，而家要攪勻佢，攪勻嘅芝士奶蓋同埋佢入邊嘅咖啡一齊飲。Taste test。好飲。So good。Back to my favorite part。好苦。為咗切書。小咖啡多曲。好苦啊！啱啱個老師同我哋分享咗話，法國越南打仗嘅時候帶咗4樣嘢：咖啡啦、鐵路啦、and 法包同埋建築。而家打蛋黃嘅時候啦，It's time to show off my baking skills。Coffee。 I'm trying to draw my cat, my always angry cat.
Piece of paper.
I got her name on top as well. No, look at 嚇，做乜你同我一樣嘅？點解你同我話一樣嘅？睇唔到啊！喂，唔得到寫咯，我再補多個。
哦，你最好送個漏斗俾我。
我哋啱啱喺上面整完咖啡就落咗嚟買咗個咖啡啦。我哋一共整咗5杯咖啡，我哋都好中意。呢個係我爸嘅最中意嘅活動，喺我哋5日會安之類，因為呢度有冷氣。啱啱個老師都好好啦，佢仲識講普通話啦、英文，所以溝通都係好順利啦。我哋頭先一共有10個學生，咁我覺得佢都好照顧到我哋每一個人啦。同埋我哋都好享受，即係氣氛好好，大家會同其他同學一齊傾偈啊，所以我係非常 highly recommend 呢個活動。好似會安之類上咗2個課啦，琴日上咗煮嘢食啦，煮嘢食都好開心，即係嗰啲當地人係，即係佢哋好 nice 啦，好幫我哋，同埋好識得搞氣氛，同埋佢哋真係教你好多嘢，唔係淨係教你整咖啡，佢仲會講越南嘅歷史啊，跟住同我哋講好多關於文化嘅，就好中意上堂，因為我覺得真係融入到當地嘅文化，所以咧非常推介，下次你哋都一定要參加啦，下次再見，拜。